In other news, Christmas vendors in Halfway Tree say sales have dropped significantly this holiday season. Many are blaming the downturn on Melissa. Carla Ramdeen has the details.
The overcast conditions here in Halfway Tree is symbolic of the Christmas mood. Bleak. Vendors say sales in comparison to last year.
Last year was much better. This time last year, it was booming. But we all know about Melissa, and we all know that persons have greater needs than wants. Most of what I am selling is not needs, but wants. So you know they're going to put their needs before their wants.
One vendor explained that shoppers simply aren't spending the way they normally do at this time of year.
Well, this year is a bit slow than usual because there's certain people coming out from yesterday, because I was out yesterday as well. I haven't been getting much sales, but we just keeping hope and our fingers crossed.
Another explains that she is selling her items cheaper because many shoppers need the reprieve.
Melissa, come and mash up Jamaica, so we are doing a little sale out now for the people then. You know, people down in the country and things and get damaged and things like that, so I have people coming around shopping for persons like that, so I mean it's a little cheaper and a little better.
Still, vendors are holding out hope that business will improve in the final days leading up to Christmas. But many admit that the financial hit from Hurricane Melissa has made this season one of the toughest in years.
As I said, I'm not giving up just yet. Just hoping and see what tomorrow brings. I wouldn't say sell off all my stuff, but you know, I can at least break even to what I've spent to come out here this year. So if I come close near breaking even, then I give thanks.
Carla Ramdeen, CVM News.